There is the new wealth of petroleum. The issue about petroleum is that it is, especially what we have here, is exhaustible. We can mine for like 20 years. What we have now, 6 billion barrels, we can mine for 20 years or 25. We are looking for more in Karamoja. Even here in the lake, we are looking for more in Lake George, Lake Edward. But you should know that petroleum can be exhaustible. So it is a resource which is finite, which is exhaustible. So when you get it, you must use it to create durable wealth. Ekirukuwaho, kikurekere, ekirukugumaho. So those people who are saying, you bring the money, we share, we eat. Import perfumes, whiskeys, then at the end, nothing remains. We are going to have time and discuss, but that is the general principle. If you are clever, there are countries like Norway, even Saudi Arabia, they have created sovereign funds, but take a banker, zizala magoba nugoba kozesa. So we should think how to convert the finite into the durable.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.